We now have the data with us, which we have imported from the Excel file into Access. So we have this data. Now we want to make that data more presentable. In order to make it presentable, what we have with us are various formatting tools which are available in this Access database. You can use them to make your data more presentable, more appealing, and I would recommend do the formatting in a way that it is very easy for you to recognize data. Let's find out how these tools are and what we can do with these tools in order to effectively represent your data. Let's open this table, the customers table, which we have imported. It has various informations, and let's say you want to format it. The first thing that you will notice under the Home tab, the most basic one is this text formatting. You can change the font. As of now, it is Calibri with size 11. Let's change this and see how it looks. Let's say we keep it Book Antique, and you will see that the entire data or entire table has got this text font. If you want, you can increase the font. Let's say I increase it to 14, and you find that the data has now become more legible. You can see it very clearly. So according to your needs, you can change this. If you don't want it to be really huge, you can make it like 10 and keep it Calibri only. If you want, you can bold your data, and you will see that the text has now changed. It has become more bold. If you want, you can keep it italic, and if you want, you can underline. But I don't want any of these formattings to my data. I want it to look simple, and I think 12 should be a good number for the font size. It's clearly visible with this font size, so let me keep it that only. You have the option to change the text color. You can keep it maroon, you can keep it blue, or any other color which you wish. I would keep it as normal black. We have the option to align our text. This will keep it left, this will keep it in the center, and this will keep it to the right. So if you want, you can keep the customer ID towards the left or keep it to the center, and other all data aligned to the right. So you just need to select the columns, and you can then do the aligning very easily. So this is how this text formatting is used. There's one more option over here wherein you can, if you see, the caption says alternate row color. So alternatively your row will be colored. Let's just try and see how this look. So we just need to select the color over here, and you will see that the alternate rows are now colored light peach or light orangish color. If you want, you can keep it. If it looks appealing to you, if it makes your data look more presentable, you can always keep it, and you can explore different ways over here to do that. Okay, so this is how alternate color rows can be given. There's option for spell check. You can click on the spell check, and it says that the spelling check is complete and there were no errors as such found. So you can just do that. At the top left of this table, if you select that, the entire table gets selected, and then you can do your formatting as such if you want. So that was about spelling and selecting your table. Again, if you want to resize your columns, now if you see, the customer name is not fully visible. Even this customer ID, the D has got cut. What you can do is you can just place your arrow, the mouse cursor, and you will find that there are two arrows, one with a double arrow, and just you can pull this across. Similarly, we'll do for this. You can just pull this across. In case you feel that it has become too long or too wide, what you can do is you can just press it inside, and you will see that the column size is now decreased. Okay, you can also double click, because of which the field size will automatically adjust according to the widest field. Okay, the widest field according to which this will get adjusted. If you don't think that is required, you can again bring it down. Let's say you want to hide certain columns. Let's say while working on this data, you do not want this city data. You want to hide this. To do that, you can go to Fields and click on More Field Options. Go to the Home tab, and here under More, what you need to do is click on hide fields. Once you click on hide fields, those fields will disappear. Let's say you want them back. Then what do? You again just need to select this, go to more and unhide fields. As soon as you click on unhide fields, this box will open up, which will show that the city is unticked, which means that it is hidden. So just click on it, click on close, and you'll find that the city has now come again. Let's now work upon the invoices tab. The invoices table has a column of amount. Let's say I want to sum up this amount. I want to know how much this amount totals up. In Excel, it is very easy. You just need to select and then you will find that there's a option for summing it up. In Access also we have that feature. You just need to click on this total symbol and you'll find that this total row has come up, and you want the total of this amount column. So when you click on this arrow over here, small arrow, you'll find that there are various options for you to do that. So you have the option of summing it up, averaging, count, maximum, minimum, finding out the standard deviation and variance. Since I want the sum, I'll just click on sum and you'll find that you get the sum of the entire amount, or now you have a figure which signifies the total contracts or total invoices that have been up till now done. So this can be used. Let's say you remove this amount. As of now it is 12,007. If you delete this, you'll find that this sum gets updated to 11,000. Okay, let's get back to normal now. Also, if you want, you can search any of your stuff in this. Let's come back to the customers table, and let's say I want to search a customer with name 7Cs. 7Cs is my customer and I want his data. As soon as you type 7, you will see that 7Cs has been highlighted. Exactly. So this is what I wanted and I have his data now ready. So you need not scroll through the huge database you have in front of you, but you can just directly type in the search area and you will be able to get through that particular field. Let's say you also want to find a customer and remove them from the list. So I try in Mason. There's no Mason as such under customer name. Okay, we do not have Mason. So let's say I type in Maria and I have this customer name. She's the contact person there, and this Alfreds is no more doing business with us. So what you can do is just click on delete and the entire data or the entire field will go away. So you can just click on delete record by right clicking on it and you can easily delete some data. So this search option can be used. Okay. Similarly, there's one option of find over here. Let's say you want to find something in this sheet and you want to find cactus, and we click on find next. As soon as you click on find next, you'll be able to do. So it's the same feature. The search option and the find option will give you the same results. You can also use this replace feature wherein you find cactus and replace it with something. Let's say your customer's name has changed. The business name has changed. From cactus it has become Cactus Corporation. So you just find cactus, replace it with Cactus Corporation. Okay, it's as simple as that. We have various options while even sorting it down. The sort option is directly available over here. Let's say in the country we want to find only the customers from Brazil. So you just need to select all, click on Brazil and click on OK. Now what you have in front of you is all the customers only from the Brazil region. If you want all that back, select all, click on OK, and all the customers are now ready in front of you. If you want, you can arrange this data either ascending wise from A to Z or descending Z to A. A to Z is always easier to grasp, so we'll keep it A to Z. There's one more feature which can be used, which is known as the selection feature. Let's try it out on the country. Under selection, if you click, it tells you whether you want to find customers who are from Germany, who are not from Germany, which contain Germany, which does not contain Germany. Let's write equals Germany and you will be able to find out all the customers from Germany. This is very similar to the direct sorting that can be used. We select all and all the data will be now available. Let's say you do this using the selection tab. If you click on toggle filter, this toggle filter can be used if you don't want to go and do select all. You just click on toggle filter and all the data is now available. So this is how you can use. This selection has various options which you can explore and use as you want to analyze your database. So these are the basic formatting tools that are available in the Access database, which can be used effectively on the tables. So we are done with this. In the next lecture, we're going to see how we can link our tables.